Now, let's dig a little deeper into the composition of cocoa coir. It's not just the components themselves, but the particle size and ratio of the components are also just as important. That's why the type and size of the components are tested by a process called substrate fraction analysis. First, a sample of the cocoa-based substrate is dried thoroughly for several days. Then, the sample is sieved in a shaker to separate the particles of the sample according to their size.
The sieves act as strainers, so particles larger than the sieve will remain on it while the smaller particles will pass to the next level. Every particle size has a function. The larger particles, fibers and shavings, provide aeration to the substrate, improving its drainage. Then, the small and medium-sized particles are the structural framework of the cocoa substrate and retain a lot of water. Also, when the water is drained, the particles shrink, allowing air pockets to form. Lastly, coconut dust and the smallest particles account for 35 to 50% of the dry weight of the substrate and retain the most water.
That's right, Tammy. The key to producing a quality substrate is to maintain a balance between all particle sizes, as each type provides different benefits.
As you can see, guaranteeing the quality of a substrate requires strict controls to ensure that all parameters, both physical and chemical, are adequate. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Follow our social networks to stay up to date on all things Atami.